Imagine learning one skill that can make you money from Nigeria or any part of the world. Work with clients from the United States of America, Canada, United Kingdom. Help your business grow and also build your own profitable business, be it online or physical business, all from your phone or laptop. Now, here is the crazy part. Many people hear digital marketing every day. Sadly, most don't still understand what it is, how much a digital marketer earns, and which area of digital marketing is worth learning. In this video, I am breaking down digital marketing in the simplest way possible. What it is, the branches of digital marketing, how much you can earn as a digital marketer, the biggest opportunities in digital marketing, and most importantly, how to choose the right path for you. And trust me, at the end of this video, you will know exactly where to start. Let's get into it. If you are new to this channel, you are welcome. My name is Innocent Popka. On this channel, I teach social media marketing step by step in its simplest way you can understand, even if you are 10-year old. So if you're interested in learning social media marketing the right way, then you need to subscribe to this channel. Click on the subscribe button down below and turn on the bell notification so that you don't miss my next valuable social media marketing video. Before we dive deep into digital marketing opportunities and career paths, let us know what digital marketing is, because not everyone knows what it is. Digital marketing in its simplest form, it simply means using the internet to promote products, services, or businesses to reach more customers online. That's it. Instead of traditional marketing, where you use newspapers, radios, television, posters, and flyers, businesses now use social media, search engines, emails, websites, video content, online advertising to reach millions of people online globally. Every time you see a sponsored post on Facebook, a sponsored Instagram post, a YouTube ad before a video, a company or personal website ranking on Google, or an email promotion, that is digital marketing in action. And because the world is online now, companies, businesses, individuals, government parastatals need digital marketers. Now, let's talk money, because I know that is the part that many people are interested in. How much can a digital marketer earn? The answer depends on skill level. As a beginner in digital marketing, you can earn between 150,000 naira to 500,000 naira monthly, working with small businesses and individuals locally. While as an intermediate, you can earn between 500,000 naira to 2 million naira monthly by handling multiple clients, consulting, or freelancing locally and internationally. At advanced level, top digital marketers can earn 5 million naira plus monthly, especially those running agencies, building brands, or selling high-ticket services. Globally experienced digital marketers can earn between $50,000 and $150,000 plus yearly, while specialists in paid advertising, SEO, that is search engine optimization, and growth marketing can earn much higher. And some earn even more because they use the skill to grow their own business. You can also use that skill as well as create digital products and sell for more money. That's where real wealth comes in. Now, let's look at the various branches of digital marketing, because here is where a lot of beginners get confused. Digital marketing is very broad and you don't need to learn everything. Let me break down the main branches. Number one is social media marketing, helping businesses grow using Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, formerly called Twitter, TikTok, Snapchat, and YouTube. That includes content strategy, audience growth, paid advertising, and engagement. And this is one of the easiest areas for beginners to start. Number two, search engine optimization, commonly referred to as SEO. This is where you help websites to rank on search engines like Google organically. Example, when you go to Google and search for phones less than 500,000 naira and you click on a website, SEO made that website you see first to third to rank above other websites. Number three, paid advertising. This is where you run sponsored ads on TikTok, Meta ads, Google ads, Snapchat ads, LinkedIn ads, and guess what? This is one of the most in-demand and highest paying skills in digital marketing. The fourth branch of digital marketing is email marketing, building customer relationship through email campaigns. Example, promotions, newsletters, automated sales sequence. The fifth branch is content marketing. This is where you create videos, blog posts, reels, podcasts, because content is equal to attention and attention is equal to money in today's digital world. The sixth branch of digital marketing is copywriting. This is where you write words that sell. Example, ad copy, landing pages, emails, product descriptions. This skill can make you highly valuable. Now, let's look at opportunities in digital marketing because this is where it gets exciting. As a digital marketer, you can work remotely, you can freelance online, get international clients that will pay you higher, start an agency, build a personal brand, sell digital products like courses, ebooks, coaching, consultation, mentorship, grow your own business, get high paying jobs, and the sweet part is you can make money from anywhere, provided you have access to power supply and internet. The opportunities are endless and the demand keeps increasing every day. Moving on to the benefits of digital marketing. Why are so many people interested or moving into digital marketing? That is majorly because digital marketing gives you flexibility. You can work from anywhere. It has high income potential, skill-based incomes scale fast, it has low startup costs, it requires mostly your mobile phone or laptop and internet. It has global opportunities, so you're not limited to only your country. Business advantage, you can grow your own business faster. Relevance, the skill will remain valuable for years to come. Now, the big question, which area in digital marketing should you focus on? I will advise you use this guide I'm about to give you. If you are a creative, then go into content marketing, social media marketing, or copywriting. If you love numbers, calculations, analytics, then go into paid advertising, SEO. Then if you enjoy communication, then go into email marketing, community growth. But if you want fast income, then go into Meta ads, TikTok ads, Snapchat ads, Google ads, Twitter ads, and copywriting. If you want long-term wealth, then learn digital marketing and build your own business using it. That's the smartest move. Digital marketing is one of the most powerful skills you can learn in today's digital economy. The good thing is you don't need to learn everything. Pick one area and learn it well. Practice it and offer it as a service. Build income, then expand. That's how experts are made. Now, tell me in the comment section which branches of digital marketing interest you the most. I would like to know. For me, I love paid advertising. How about you? Drop your answer in the comment section. And if you find this video informative, then like this video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you have not done that. I will see you in the next video.